Hello D-traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. The US dollar halted its rally. Nevertheless, fundamentally, the US currency still keeps its appeal to investors. The US dollar index is hovering close to multi-year highs as traders are confused about mixed economic data from the United States. In the Asian trade, the index is gaining ground after a slump on Friday, which was caused by weak growth of wages. The index closed Friday straight at 97.58 against a basket of major currencies. On the whole, the US economy is on a sound footing that provides the US currency with a solid support. Traders are supposed to buy the greenback, but it would be a good idea to be patient for a while. The yen opened its trading week with an advance versus its American rival. The yuan went down sharply. Donald Trump dumped risk sentiment by surprise comments on China. Disappointed by slow progress in the trade talks, the US president threatened to raise tariffs on China imports worth $200 billion this week. These remarks are a big shift in tone from the US leader. On Friday, Donald Trump praises his relationship with the China's leader. The dollar-yen pair is now trading at near 110.81. Earlier, the pair briefly touched the lowest mark in 5 weeks. If the pair trades firmly below the current level, it will signal development of a downtrend. Meanwhile, it makes sense to follow the bearish trend on the dollar-yen pair. A new round of the trade talks between the United States and China, slated for this week in Washington, could not take place. The warning from the US leader caught Beijing off guard. So the Chinese side could neglect the soonest round of the talks. In this context, China-related Australian dollar lost steam. In the late Asian trade, the AUD-USD pair settled down at 0.6990. The trade talks between Washington and Beijing are on the verge of value. If such fears come true, it would trigger a crash of risky assets. You are watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.